Hi everybody, I'm Ellen and I'm back with part 2 for the taco ring. So the oven went off and I'm just going to put my oven mitts on and bring it on over. Make sure you have a hot trivet set down because you don't want to accidentally burn the countertop that you are placing it on. So a trivet to go underneath is your best case. So, but this is the taco ring. I should have showed it to you. Hold on. There we go. The taco ring just came out of the oven. It was in there for about 25 minutes at 375. If you want to go ahead and do it for 20 minutes, that's totally okay. In fact, it's probably better that you put it at 20 and then you can kind of check it. So, some fun things that you can do when you have something like this. For the fixings, you can serve it up with sour cream, cheese, and lettuce, and salsa, whatever you want to do. If you want, and in this case, I'm going to have some cheese, some sour cream, and some lettuce. And I kind of did something really cute and fun. So on here, I just kind of cut some peppers, because I had some peppers in the fridge. And I put some sour cream in here. Sour cream, and then I have some shredded cheese, and then some shredded lettuce. Okay, and then I just kind of put it in here like this. If you want to get even more creative when you make your taco ring, just, I had mentioned earlier when we were saying this in part 1, to put it about 4 inches from the side. You can actually move it a little bit further out so that the center, so that the core is bigger. Because then you can put this in the center. And so I think what I'll do is maybe I'll put the lettuce, because it's green, it's prettier. There. So see, you can put it in the middle. If the center was a little bit bigger, you can put all 3 in, and then you can serve it up like this. What I did to create these as bowls is underneath you want to create a flat surface, but only cut off a very thin layer because you don't want to create a hole in the inside and have everything come out. Okay, but this is it. And so what I'm going to do is to serve it up. As you can see slits of the ground beef because that's part of the design. So I am going to use my mini serving spatula and cut a piece. Now this is being served on the large round stone with handles, and this is the white round stone. And if you don't have stoneware, I highly recommend that you invest in at least 1 piece. Stoneware makes your food taste so delicious in a way that it cooks evenly. The bottom, the sides, the top, they all cook evenly, and it's very, very difficult to burn something on stoneware. It is made out of clay, so make sure you don't drop it because it's not magic stoneware. Okay, it is made out of clay and it will break. All right, so now we're going to actually dress our taco ring. And what we can do is put a little bit of cheese here because we don't have enough cheese. We can't have enough cheese. And then maybe we'll take some lettuce and put some on here. And some sour cream and put it right on there. And there you go, taco ring for dinner. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you want the recipe, I've attached a link to my video. And so after you watch the video, just click on the link. It'll take you to my website and type in taco ring and you'll have access to the recipe. I hope you like this. Have a good one, and until next time.